So,
You're
first of all,
welcome.
thank you for coming on this meeting and sharing your feedback with us. So, I would like to ask few questions related to your experience. So, can you please let me know about yourself and about your company?
Um, as far as I'm concerned, I retired medically early due to a visual impairment. I have lost my sight in my left eye. I only see light, so I was out of the workforce altogether and decided to, become an entrepreneur, which led me to creating the concept of Cruizer Finder. And now I've completed, um, not me, but I've had developers to also now um, complete the app development part of it. Both are approved and on available for use on the Play stores. But as far as my app being usable, I have to now get together with the cruise line that I've chosen to set up a meeting so my business development person can pitch my
Okay.
app.
So, Chamia, can you please let us know about the experience working with us and what are the functionalities and work we have done for you?
Um, the overall experience with working with you all has been great. I know that I pressed upon you guys like uh, a relatively short period of time to make this happen for me, and you all were able to do it. So I was really, really glad about that, and I like the the overall flow of the app, um, and it pretty much delivers what I wanted to deliver, and with the focus on how beneficial it is to cruise passengers, because you know with this industry, it's $1 billion industry, but at the bottom, they're really, really concerned about their bottom line. And I have other tools that address this, but as far as the website, I think it's a really good tool for potential cruise passengers to go on and find out everything it is about my app,
That
everything they
sounds
need to
great.
know. Hmm.
Yeah. So, Chamia, one more thing: how you find us, how you get to know about our organization.
I believe that I I I believe that I found you on Upwork, I believe, and it was a couple jobs that I posted, and one or two of them I filled those, and I want to say it was you. You will occasionally just reach out to me and follow up and see if it was anything in my project you could help me with. And when my business development person came on board, and she said my previous website was not up to par, that's when I got in contact with you to see if you could help me out with my website. So Upwork.
Okay, okay. So, Satish, do you have any questions for Chamia?
Yes. Yes, I have.
Hi,
Hi, Jamia. Good morning.
good morning.
Yeah, Jamia, I have a question. Uh, do you have any feedback for the team? And will you recommend us to your friends and colleague as well?
I really can't think of anything, any type of feedback that I have, because you know this whole thing is not my area of expertise, and whenever I had issues or questions, I would reach out on the WhatsApp, and, I would, get the clarity that I needed. I actually like the communication through WhatsApp much better than Upwork. I really don't like that, because sometimes I'm not on there, so that part of it is good. And yes, absolutely, I would recommend you all in the future, sure.
Thank you, Chemia.
'Cause, yeah, I know I was not the easiest, person to work with, because I'm really, really super critical of, like, words and how they're used, and really specific. And I'm thankful that you all, didn't get annoyed and was patient with everything, and, pretty much how I wanted it to look and feel.
Okay, thank you so much, Chemia. It was a breeze working with you. You are very clear about your requirements with us, and we were glad we can help you with your building your websites and web app development. And thank you for choosing forcebolt as your preferred partner. And I would like to wish you happy new year, and hopefully you will bring us more work with us, and we can have a more engagement with you.
Okay. Happy New Year's to you both.
Happy new year, Chemia.
Bye bye.
Happy New Year, Chemya. Thank you.